Hi everyone, Dr. Sean Casey here from Healthcare Complete Back and Neck Pain Center, answering questions that people have been sending in to us. Actually, a good general question we want to make sure we answer to everybody is, what is a chiropractor? What do you guys actually do? What is a great question. So a chiropractor, same as most medical doctors, we all go through a lot of school, a lot of education, because quite frankly, no one wants to go to a dumb doctor. And there's a lot of great programs set in place to make sure that doctors get the best education possible. So chiropractor is no different. We get most doctors go through and get what's called a Bachelor of Science, maybe in biology, biochemistry, human biology. There's a lot of different fields, studying a lot of the ologies, anatomy, physiology, biology, biochemistry, working all the way up to the specific regions of the body, so such as cardiology and all the gastroenterology and all the ologies you can think of. From there, they have to actually pass certain tests so they can go into a chiropractic university or college. And there they will go through a lot more classes, specifically learning more about the human body, diagnosis, and proper treatment protocols. Now, the difference between medical doctors and chiropractors, usually in the later stages of school, where a chiropractor is going to focus more on specifically adjusting techniques and treatment protocols, which might involve nutrition or diagnostic tools. Some medical doctors go into areas where they're doing more with pharmacology as opposed to nutrition or minor surgery. And a lot of chiropractors do go on to get their MD as well and get multiple degrees. But chiropractic, we're going to focus on primarily the impact of the joints of the body, the spine, on the nervous system. Because what we know from research is when the spinal bones get out of alignment, they'll irritate the nerves. They'll actually interfere with that connection from the brain to your body. And we know the brain controls all the activities in the body. If the brain cannot properly tell the body what to do, we have what's called disease or lack of health, lack of ease. Your body's not going to function the way it's supposed to. So not only do chiropractors work well with athletes and correcting mechanical problems such as sprained ankles or knee issues and help them to heal up, to strengthen up, to prevent further injuries, but also removing irritation from the nervous system so the whole body can function better. That's why so many patients don't just go to chiropractors for aches and pains, but for health and wellness to make sure they function better, because they just know when they get their chiropractic adjustments, by restoring those joints to proper motion and reducing nerve irritation, things work better, they feel better, they have more energy, and that's why we do what we do. So hopefully this helps out. If you have any questions about this, give us a call. Have a great day.